Anyway, guys, I was saying I used to spend so much money on my skin. I used to spend about 2,500 rands on my skin treatment every single month. And then it will be the products that I buy, 300 rands there, AHA there, retinol there. Good morning. It's Friday today and I'm just going to chill. Friday and chill. Guys, I'm having coffee right now, which I barely do these days because I'm always smoothing and drinking Fenty. I'm going to the gym. I'm not doing any of that today. Today I'm going to relax, have my coffee, possibly have a glass of wine later. And I'm going to read a book, finish up my editing, and do as I please. I'm not fetching the kids from school. I only have one errand that I have to run in the afternoon. I need to pop into my studio and just check on things. But coming back, I don't even feel like cooking. I'm probably going to have takeaways, have some wine, make a few stupid decisions, and just be human. Enjoy your Friday, guys. Enjoy the vlog. Also, is there anyone obsessed with Cremora out there like I am? Guys, comment section if you need us to start a Cremora support group. Cremora gang, CGs. Elore khanti ke neng ke squata mara. Ooh, guys, after talking so much, I've been going on and on and on and on, but more than anything, I've curled my hair. I'm traveling, I'm going away. It's not traveling really, I'm just going to Limpopo. I don't want to maintain straight hair because I'm going to the bushes and bundus. So I just want my hair curly. I'm going to spray these 6 curls and dry them out so that I don't have to be maintaining a straight hair. I'm in my bedroom, and the reason I have this mirror here is because the mirror in the bathroom, the lighting is not lighting. So while I'm sorting that out, I'm going to be here with you. Watch me do my makeup and get ready. Because you're being fun about my makeup free face. Guys, I know what it feels like to have bad skin. Bad skin. So I've had bad skin ever since I had my children, which my first daughter, I had her when I was 28. And then I had my last one at the age of 31. And I had bad skin ever since. My skin was terrible. The hyperpigmentation, the pimples, like I had issues. I never let them take me down or put me down. I worked with it. I worked with them. But my point of this is that I want to say my skin is far from perfect, guys, but the way I love it. I love it. I love it. I appreciate not having to put on makeup when I don't want to. I appreciate the fact that I can have minimal makeup. Guys, I even have a small makeup bag. Like, this is it. This is it. All of this. This is it. I just have I would have foundation. Just a foundation, my little brushes, a little concealer, a little pen here and there. You know, it's not a lot. And I'm very appreciative to God. Not having good skin can be daunting. So I'm very happy. I'm not going to do too much. I hardly do too much these days. I hardly, like, hardly. Sometimes I don't even put makeup on. Baking yona a ke tsebe le hore ke eng. Tsa go bake le go contour le go what. Yo, I lived there. I lived there for the longest time. And I did it whether I liked to or not. So now I'm just a dabber. I just dab. I just dab, and then I'm out. I love it. And I'm very thankful to God. You know, when it got to a space where I actually had to pray for my skin, I had skin prayers. So, yeah. You know, when you get to surrendering, to saying, God, there is nothing I'm not using. I used to spend so much money on my skin. I used to spend about 2,500 rands on my skin treatment every single month. And then it will be the products that I buy, 300 rands there, AHA there, retinol there. So a good 3K or so went into my skin every single month for, I don't know for how long, for as long as I can remember. And then I just stopped. And I had to surrender to God, pray about it. Yeah, eventually I found what worked for me, but I think when I surrendered and stopped, and then I started learning about my skin, and I realized some of these things that I was doing were agitating, like making my skin worse, like the acids, skin clinics. I can't put on acidic things. I don't use acidic anything, no. I just use pure soap, pure soap, bar soap, or sunlight soap. I put on castor oil. I put on organic castor oil for my skin. I think the benefits are amazing, and it makes my skin plump. And then I put on Vaseline sometimes. Yeah. You know back then when people would tell you that, oh, mina sunlight Vaseline, I used to think they lie. That's all I do. That's all I do, guys. And then I do my face yogas, and then I pray for my skin. Right? Thank you, Lord. You barely see me doing facials, and I think if I do, which I did last year at some, this is it. This is all the makeup I put on. Akibatli next. When the depth the dots a few, and then I just dab. Just make sure my brushes are clean. That is it. And for the next, I'll probably put lashes if it's an occasion or whatever. Just draw my brows, put on lipstick. I'm out. I'm stepping out. I'm wearing jeans. If you know me, you know I'm not a denim person. But who's not a denim person? Disapuma, guys, sathi shelele $8. And let me show you my hair. Let me show you my hair. So this is the look I was going for. I didn't want my hair to be straight. I don't want to maintain. I'm a fringe girl. I always love my fringe. Sapuma, guys, sathi she. After coming back from the stores, I'm off to Limpopo. And I will chat later. Beautiful. Listen to the birds. And down there there's like a stream and a dam. Guys, this place is so surreal. It's so beautiful. The sounds of the birds, the waterfalls, the air is so fresh and crisp. The animals are interesting. Nothing beats being in the farm, you know, nothing beats being in nature, and I'm trying to blend in with my green dress. It's really beautiful. I really am enjoying this.